Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your spaceship level and open module slots because upgrades fail if capacity is full. Once done, collect the core materials, alloys, advanced circuits, and credits so you won't stall mid-process. You should also assign the pilot or apply an AI boost now. This increases success rate and saves repeat attempts. Do this immediately to prevent wasted resources, and make sure to check any daily shop offers for discounted components before proceeding. You now perform the upgrade sequence methodically. Start with hull, then engines, then weapons. This order balances stats and unlocks subsequent modules. Use upgrade kits or boosters to raise success chance by 10 to 25% because small boosts compound and save resources. During each attempt, watch the failure penalties and have salvage protocols ready to reclaim partial materials. If you run low, pause and farm missions that drop components. This avoids forcing high-cost purchases and keeps progression steady. You finish by verifying improved ship stats, reassigning modules to match role, and running short test missions to confirm stability and DPS gains. Make sure to optimize loadout based on the new capacity. Small tweaks often yield big returns. If something goes wrong, check the salvage inventory immediately and use rollback or insurance within the allowed window to recover materials. If salvage is insufficient, farm targeted nodes instead of spending premium currency. That single troubleshooting step saves time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.